that there have been more than 300 new sightings of what the government calls UAPs. Some of these uncharacterized UAPs appear to have demonstrated unusual flight characteristics or performance capabilities
that the world has ever seen.
This night vision video shows 3 pyramid-shaped UFOs flying over the USS Russell.
In the shadowy corners of science and intelligence, where unexplainable phenomena are treated with a curious mix of skepticism and seriousness, a new force has emerged. The United States government has launched an Unidentified Aerial Phenomena Taskforce, UAP Taskforce, an organization set to probe into the enigmatic realm of aerial anomalies, or simply put, extraterrestrial activity. The story begins decades ago, amidst the ashes of World War II and the heightened tensions of the Cold War. Throughout these periods of great uncertainty, there were frequent accounts of sightings, lights that danced in the skies, objects that moved with an unfathomable speed and agility, and silhouettes that defied conventional understanding of aircraft design. These so-called UFOs were initially shrugged off as misidentified aircraft, atmospheric phenomena, or the product of an overactive imaginations. Yet, as the sightings persisted, their potential threat to national security could not be overlooked. During the 1950s, a top-secret project named Blue Book was established by the United States Air Force. It aimed to scrutinize these unexplained phenomena. However, the project was shuttered in 1969, its findings inconclusive and mostly dismissive. Over the years, as the subject was relegated to the realm of pseudoscience and pop culture, these unexplained phenomena continued to punctuate our skies, their existence acknowledged but never truly understood. Fast forward to the present, and the conversation was dramatically shifted. Thanks to increasingly advanced sensor technologies and a renewed interest in these phenomena, the US government has enacted the UAP Task Force. Its objective is not only to determine the nature and origins of these sightings, but also to assess their potential threats to national security. While skeptics may see this as an indulgence into fringe theories, many in the defense and scientific community deem it a long overdue examination of uncharted aerospace potential. Given the accelerated pace of technological advancements, the task force strategy encompasses deep scientific analysis and cooperation with domestic and international partners. Furthermore, it's aiming to destigmatize the reporting of such sightings by military personnel, emphasizing their vital role in shedding light on these peculiar occurrences. The UAP Task Force operates under a shroud of mystery, with the details of its operation and findings kept under tight control. The glimpses of unclassified reports that reach the public eye are tantalizing. The description of vehicles defying our understanding of physics, the mind-boggling maneuvers in the sky, and the implication of an advanced technological prowess that far outstrips our own. To classify these otherworldly objects within the UAP requirements, they must experience a combination of the 5 observables, as noted by Luis Elizondo, the former head of the Pentagon's Advanced Aerospace Threat Identification Program. These 5 possible observables are: 1. Instantaneous acceleration, the ability to change speed or direction abruptly, far beyond what any known aircraft can achieve. 2. Hypersonic velocity, without signatures, moving at speeds exceeding Mach 5, without any visible signs such as contrails or heat signatures. 3. Low observability, having a cloaking device often challenging to see with the naked eye or even with radar. 4. Transmedia travel, capabilities to operate in different environments such as air, water, or vacuum of space with no performance changes. 5. Positive lift, ability to fly without apparent means of propulsion or lift, such as wings, rotors, exhaust, etc.
When you recover something that's either landed or crashed, sometimes you encounter dead pilots.
Perhaps one of the most significant UFO sightings investigated by the UAP task force is the USS Nimitz UFO encounter in 2015, often referred to as the gimbal or go fast incidents. In these encounters, Navy pilots reported seeing multiple objects flying in strange patterns and demonstrating exceptional speed and maneuverability. The objects were picked up by advanced radar systems aboard the USS Nimitz, and some of these encounters were captured on infrared video by the pilots themselves. One of the videos, known as the gimbal video, shows an unidentified object rotating while moving against high winds, a maneuver that left the pilots astounded. The second video, the go fast footage, showed an object moving so quickly over the ocean surface that it seemed to defy our current understanding of physics and aerodynamics. These sightings triggered investigations by the Department of Defense. However, despite the scrutiny, a conclusive explanation for these objects' origins or capabilities has been provided. Despite the scrutiny, no conclusive explanation for these objects' origins or capabilities has been provided, contributing to the ongoing enigma of the UFO UAP phenomenon. Looking forward, the future of the UAP program teeters on the edge of discovery. The task force faces an uphill battle, not just in the scientific sense, but also societal. Acceptance of a reality that may involve non-human intelligences, advanced technology, or phenomenon beyond our current understanding is a psychological leap many are not ready to take. Yet, there is a feeling of anticipation and eagerness as we stand on the precipice of a new frontier, where our understanding of our place in the universe may be radically reshaped. While the explanation of little green men is likely misguided, there's a genuine curiosity about the potential of extraterrestrial life, not just as fictional entities in a Hollywood blockbuster, but as sentient beings who may, in some form or another, have been sharing the cosmos with us all along. There are duties that the UAP task force is now tasked with. Unraveling these mysteries, in turn, may well usher us into a new era of understanding and exploration. We stand at the dawn of a new epoch, where our preconceptions are challenged and the mysteries of the universe inch closer to our grasp. As we venture further into this uncharted territory, we cannot help but feel the probable thrill of stepping into the unknown, waiting for the moment when mysteries become the known. This is just the tip of the iceberg. Make sure you check out this video next to dive into more unbelievable content.